In this video, I will show you how you can enable vibration when ringing on any iPhone. Now, if you want your iPhone to vibrate when it starts ringing, then just go to Settings. And under Settings, just tap on Sounds and Haptics. From here, just tap on Ringtone. Now, for your iPhone to vibrate, just scroll down and at the top of the screen, just tap on Haptics. Now, if your iPhone is on None, your iPhone will not vibrate when it starts ringing. To make your iPhone vibrate when it starts ringing, just select any of these vibration patterns from here. Or you can select the default option. And finally, you have the option of custom. And if you tap on create new vibration, you will be able to create a custom vibration pattern on your iPhone. Once you create your vibration pattern, just tap on stop and select save. Now just give a name to the vibration pattern, then select save. As you can see, this is the vibration pattern which we have created. Now just select it and your iPhone will vibrate when it starts ringing. And this is how you can enable Vibrate on Ring on any iPhone. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.